Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $5 each and every time you're just clicking on your phone. I'm not sure how you can do that whether you're using your Apple phone, whether you're using your Android phone. I'm not sure exactly how it works and this working really good right now, how you can get these $5 US dollars getting into your account right away by using these methods, and at the end of this video, I'm going to show you one extra cool methods where you can make $100 every single day without you actually doing the work itself, right? So there's two income stream right there, where the first income tree where you can make $5 over and over again. So be sure to stick with me until the end because you definitely don't want to miss this out. Because it is really cool and it's working. I represent worldwide. I'm gonna show you how you can make money from everywhere in the world, right? And guys, if you're new right here, what are you waiting for? Go down there, click on the subscribe button. Because you will see every single day new videos from me, different ways, different methods that you can make money online, create an income and live a life of freedom. So if you like this content, be sure go down there, click on the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell so that you can receive my daily new videos, right? And for those of you guys, I know that you want to make a change in your life. You're gonna quit your job, you're gonna provide to your loved one, to your family. So I'm gonna show you my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. Click on the first link down in the video description. I will share you all the details on the inside. So that is it, let us dive into today's content. It is really cool, it is really excited. Right now the application that you have to go on today, it's Big Token. Okay, Big Token, you can download this application for free on your Apple App Store and also your Google Play Store. So once you download that, you have to follow these 4 simple steps and start earning money, right? Step number 1. How you can sign up for a free account. Put in your email, put in a password, put in a phone number, and you have to create your account. Now for these methods right there, they need you to have a US phone numbers. And you are visiting here. Hey guys, I don't have a US number, I'm not from the US. Okay, if you're from the US, right, cool for you, this is a really cool method. But if you're not from you guys, I'm going to show you one cool method that you can make money from the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, India, Philippines, Nigeria, whatever country you are in. You can absolutely use these methods to start earning money as well. So be sure to stick with me until the middle part of this video, right? I'm going to drop that bomb and show you how you can sign up from anywhere in the world. Now the second method, the second step that you can do right now, which is by sharing your data and actually earning points. Which are the followings are you interested in? For example, right? This is a simple question: sports and recreation. Okay, arts and crafts, gaming. So for me, maybe I like gaming. I'm gonna take on that and actually just click on gaming, and by just doing that one action, I'm gonna earn money, right? And the second step is that you have to manage your digital data. Okay, because you have to share information, share what you're interested in, what is your hobby, what is the stuff that you're interested in, and you can decide which piece of data you want to share with them. And they can share it on a marketplace, and who can buy access to it, you have to control, right? You're told you don't switch on these turning on or turning off. And you can share these data and actually earning money. So you can start accumulate points, and after that you can redeem those points and out them into cash gift cards. How can I cash out? What is the methods? What is the conversion? How much point converter? How much money? And how can I sign up from anywhere in the world and start earning money? And also please show me the extra methods. How can I make $100 every single day without me actually doing this stuff? That's really cool. I'm not sure how we can do that, so stick with me until the end of this video. You can see people all over the world. I'm making points right now. Okay, this is something said, it is something live right now. So let me go to some frequently asked question you might be burning right now. You have a lot of question and let us answer them one by one. Okay. First of all, what is this? Oh, what a hag is this big token? Basically, a big token is a platform. Read and manage the data that you own, meaning that you share the data on you. Know these platform big token, and they're gonna share these data to add a third party people and sell it to other people, and actually earning money. So, this is the business model, right? Why? Because they want your information. so that they can place an advertisement right. They can allow other third party to play advertisement to you. Because once you share data, you share with them. On their data acquisition, make sure that they are secure and transparent and you are fully aware of what data you're sharing, okay. Who they are sharing, before who can have access to them, okay, and their 100% GDPR compliance, as you can see right there. I'm not gonna go through that one by one. But that's the point, I want you to know that before you diving in, because privacy is really important. You can go through their price on your terms and condition. But it is really safe, is really getting a lot of good reviews about that. You can go through them by themselves and, what are you doing with my data, right? Once the app launches publicly, your data will be grouped together in large anonymous groups. Let me show you one cool methods that I talked about just now, okay. Which is you can join a team. You can basically join a team, and every single day, your team member, everyone in a team member VA or have one specific mission, wants the same action that we have to do, and if our team everyone is doing the mission, we're gonna earn extra bonus. You know, team bonus right there. Extra team bonus. And as you have 2 or more friends who wanna play along, you can invite him and actually be all of you can do it together, and that's how you can make a lot of points, where you can make more than $5 each and every day, right? And these team action is, you know, really cool. They are available 24 hours, every day. They're gonna refresh that, and every single day. You're gonna earn extra money by doing that. And also, as I promised you, the bonus extra methods, where you can earn over $100 per day without you actually doing it stuff, which is by creating a stream, okay. What do I mean by creating a stream is that you can be the top of the shrimp, the top leader, and you can refer to many people who sign it on Big Token using a personal referral code. Let me just show you, what can I read him with my big points, where you can redeem any points for you know in your PayPal account, and more option to redeem are coming soon though. So you're offering in a PayPal cash right now. You can only redeem once every 30 days. Every money can redeem only for one time, and you can redeem only 25 of your total points. Okay, let's say you have 2,000 points, so you can receive only 500 points right now. You redeem with them, and the remaining 75% will remain in your balance and calculate DAD, and after the next one you can redeem 4 and 25% again in the next man. Okay, the minimum payout is 200. I'm in 2,100 points, which team in $21 points. This value to $1 guys for this one, and you have a verified as phone numbers and a US PayPal account. Let me show you, okay, let me show you how you gonna do that, okay. 1.0 100 points is equal to $1 guys. So let me show you how you can get this US number by going on this application. Second line. Okay, second line, second phone numbers. You can download this for 100% free. It has a really good reviews, and after you can get this, you can get a free as phone numbers for whatever country you are in, okay. And a cool trip is that once you download this one, you put in the area code is 505, okay, 505, and after you can gather as phone numbers for DAD, and you can use that phone number to sign up for that and to have any US PayPal account to do that. But you just need a US phone numbers, and you can enter your PayPal account, and you can start verify yourself and start earning money using this application. And you can start building up your stream. Okay, so there are a few methods. Maybe you can use Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter. You can give us different social media to actually start getting and accumulate your team members. So you're building up a stream. And once you do that, once you do the work for one time, okay, you'll be on this stream, and they'll just keep on turning on money like automatic. You know, like money making machines, guys. And you at the top of this stream. You can earn money. This is an okay way of making money online. You could definitely make a few $100. But these earning alright are like a part-time job getting paid minimum wage, alright. You're gonna start earning money. In 2009, I was doing fast food parcel job. It was great. I didn't know any better. Like, that was the most money I've ever received, because it was my first. But as time goes on, you realize that your time is being undervalued. And you could probably relate with this. They are repaying you the minimum payment, that they can. Okay, that was me here. I knew I wasn't gonna achieve financial freedom. I drop out college for failed continuously. My family was fallen in debt in 2010. I was tried for get some handful money. I looked in online tutorial, I implemented those. But failed and failed every time. In 10 years online journey, now in 2020 you look my live income. That's crazy like. Yes, now I have financial freedom, small but beautiful house. No debt in my family. Oh, no, I am not getting any treasure. I meet people all the time who are discouraged and overwhelmed by life. You've probably met people like this, too. Trying circumstances have disappointed them, and they feel like giving up. If you are not living the ideal life, it is time for a change. Yes, if you click the first link down below this video, you're gonna get 3 types of freedom. Money freedom, time freedom, geo freedom. Looking at my phone notifications going of $1,000. Here $1,000. They're landing in my bank account. You're gonna find out exactly how I was able to do that, by clicking the link down below this video. This action can unlocks the secrets to your future $9,259.74 per month. Because I am about to reveal every secret from my success. The freedom to live anywhere does not need to be exotic. Maybe you just want to live on the other side of your city. The problem is the commute is a pain in the ass. Now you can live wherever you want. Whether that's an Indonesian beach, or a comfortable house outside the city. You choose. I know you've been burned before. We all have. So you're gonna get all of that down below in the first link. In this below this video, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, comment, and go ahead and watch this playlist. I've included right here, on all the ways on how to make money online. Take care you.